my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 1, The Natural World, Chapter number 1, Green Grasses. Look at the pictures, read the statements, and complete the names. Okay? So, number 1, the pollen of ryegrass causes hay fever. It is rye. Okay? Number 2, it is bamboo grass. Bamboo grass is not grown in lawns. इनके ना फॉरेस्ट होते हैं बड़े बड़े बैम्बू ग्रास की. नेक्स्ट वन, नंबर 3, it is arundo grass. ARUNDO. ARUNDO. Grass is used for making wooden wind instruments. Okay, वो जो हाथ के पंखे वगैरह होते हैं ना वो. Number 4, paper. PAPER. Paper is a product made from grass fiber. Number 5, sword grass. Okay, sword grass has sharp blades which may cut human skin. Number 6, it is culms. CULMS. CULMS are hollow stems of most of the poaceae plants. Number 7, ligule refers to the thin outgrowth at the junction of leaf and leaf stalk. LIGULE. Number 8 is common reed. COMMON. Common reed. Grass is used for water treatment. Number 9, the last one is meadow. Is a grass used as animal fodder. Meadow. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 2, the world of plants. Take the right answer. Number 1, plant anatomy is the study of option A, internal structure of plants. Number 2, flowering plants are called phanerogases. Number 3, into how many groups is the plant kingdom divided? 5. Number 4, algae differ from fungi in having is option C. It is chlorophyll. Okay. Number 5, non-flowering plants are option B, cryptogams. 6, the stalk of a flower is called pedicel. Option B. Number 7, trees which shed their leaves every year are called deciduous trees. Number C. Okay, deciduous tree. Number 8, the basic unit of classification is generally considered to be the, so the answer is number 8, option A, species. Number 9, which part of the plant supplies water and salt to the plant which helps them to prepare food? Roots. So option A is roots. Number 10, plants that cannot prepare their own food and have to depend on their nutrition upon ready-made organic foods are called Option C, heterotrophs. Number 11. Which of the following antibiotics was discovered by Alexander Fleming? Option C, penicillin. 12. The green portion of the leaves is called lamina. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 3, Forests, a gift of nature. Forests are an important gift of nature. They give us many useful things. They also provide shelter and a home to animals. The names of some forests are hidden in this word search, so read the clues and find the names. So let me start. Number 1. These forests are mostly found in the desert area. Okay, so they can survive without water for a long time. Answer is thorn. This one. Answer is thorn. Number 2. These forests are mostly found in the higher regions of the Himalaya mountains. They are also called coniferous forests. Number 2. Mountain. So the answer is mountain. Number 3. These forests are mostly found in the deltas of rivers and in areas which are flooded by sea water. So these are the tidal. Next, number 4. These forests do not shed their leaves. They remain green throughout the year. So these are the evergreen. Okay. Next one, number 5. These forests are less luxuriant and shed their leaves only once a year during the dry season and have conical leaves. These are the deciduous. 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 This one. Now question number B. Write the names of these in the correct column. So the evergreen tree is rosewood and mahogany. Okay. Now deciduous, deciduous. Teak and sal. Khejri and kikar. Last one is mountain, देवदार and चीर. इनको चीड़ बोलते हैं. Chi. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 4, the world of insect. Insects have a hard exoskeleton, a 3-part body that consists of the head, thorax and abdomen. 3 pairs of joint legs, compound eyes, and 2 antennae. So read the clues and solve this word puzzle. Across. Number 2. A dark color wingless insects feeds on the blood of its host. It is flea. Flea. 4. Related to the butterfly, with most species being nocturnal. So these four word का है ये. Number 4. It is moth. M-O-T-H. Moth. 5. Has a flat body and a long antenna with chirping named after a sport. Number 5. It is cricket. 7. Flying insect that feeds on nectar and pollen from flowers. Number 7. It is bee. Next, number 8. Has a short antenna. Some species make a noise. Locust is a common subspecies. Number 8. Grasshopper. Number 9. Fastest flying insect has an elongated body generally found near water bodies. It is dragonfly. Okay, now down. Number 1. Has the largest number of species among all insects. Beetle. 3. Common flying insect whose females of the species suck blood cause diseases such as malaria and yellow fever. Mosquito. Number 6. Nocturnal insect generally omnivores, commonly found in the kitchen. It is cockroach. Number 7. Has a 4-stage life cycle: egg, larva, known as caterpillar, pupa, and adult. It is butterfly. Next, number 10. A social insect lives in colonies and is considered very hardworking. It is ant. Ant. Okay. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 5. Magnificent trees. Read the clues and identify the following magnificent trees. Write their names in the blank boxes. Okay. Number 1. This tree was once considered the most isolated tree on the earth. Okay. It was the only for over 400 kilometers. It was a landmark on Karma routes of Sahara Desert in Northeast. It was knocked down in 1973 by an elite dump truck driver. So this is trees of Tenera. Number 2, the amazing tree can grow to be nearly 100 feet tall and 35 feet wide. The defining characteristics of these trees are their swollen trunk that actually store water. The tree can store as much as 31,700 gallons of water to endure harsh drought conditions. So it is baobab. Which tree? Baobab. Number 3. This is a sacred figure tree in Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka. It is said to be a tree grown from a sapling from the same tree under which the Buddha became enlightened, which was brought down Sanghamitra. It was planted in 255 BC and is the oldest living human planted tree in the world. So it is Sri Mahabodhi. So the tree name is Sri Mahabodhi. Pando. Sri Mahabodhi. Shri Mahabodhi. Okay. Next. Number 4. This tree, also known as the trembling giant, is a colonial colony of a single male quacking aspen determined to be a single living organism by identical genetic markers and assumed to have one massive underground root system. So these are the Pando trees. Okay. Number 5. This is the most famous tree in France. Actually, it's more than just a tree. It's a building and a religious monument all in one. In 1669, a hollow was made by a lightning bolt in this 500 years old tree. The priestess built a small altar to the Virgin Mary there. Later on, a second chapel and a staircase were added. Okay, so number 5 is, so this tree name is Chapel Oak of Allouville, Belfast. Okay. Number 6. Axel Erlandsson was a Swedish-American farmer who shaped tree as a hobby and opened a horticultural attraction in 1947, advertised as "See the world's strangest tree here and near." So the tree is Tree Circus. Tree Circus. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 6. Natural healers. Look at the pictures, read the descriptions and write the names of these medicinal leaves and plants. Number 1. It is Tulsi. Okay. Tulsi leaves are used to cure cough, cold, bronchitis and fever. Number 2. This is aloe vera. Aloe vera is used to heal wounds, cuts, burns, and to reduce inflammation. Number third, it is go-to cola. Is used to treat nuclear ulcers, open sores, leprosy, and venous insufficiency. Next, number 4. This is calendula. Is used for the treatment of stings, sprains, sore eyes, and insect bites. Number 5 is, this is thyme. Is used to cure congestion and stomach gas. Number 6, this is lavender. Is used to alleviate tension, stress, and insomnia. Number 7, this is fenugreek. Is used to treat diabetes, lower cholesterol levels, and stomach and intestinal ulcer. Number 8, this is sage. This is sage is used to cure flatulence, excessive perspiration, anxiety, and depression. Number 9, this is peppermint. Is regarded as the world's oldest medicine. It is used for the treatment of upset stomach, irritable bowel syndrome, and spastic colon. Number 10, this is ashwagandha. Is best known for the treatment of tumor, pain, eye problems, brain cell, degeneration, and heart problem. Number 11, this is lemongrass. Is used to cure abdominal pain, headache, muscle cramps, and stress related conditions. Number 12, the last is, it is khus. Is used to obtain relief from inflammation in circulatory system and nervous system. Okay, so dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.